So, fellas, it is with great stress. I don't know if I'd use the word stress, it's probably not the right word. It is with great, probably pain would describe how long it's taken me to make this next video, that I finally worked up the motivation, I got the time clear. Hell, I've even fixed my mic arm to make making these voiceovers a tad easier on myself, just so we can get this video out. Thank you so much for waiting, thank you for your support, and I can guarantee you we're going to have videos all the way on the run up to Christmas, and as I want to just get them pumped out again. This has been one of the busiest years I've ever had on YouTube with the amount of content I've been making. Came back in February, and it was just non-stop, every Saturday, sometimes 2 videos a week, and they've been some of the best videos I think I've ever actually made. But there was just a stage recently after that collab with Owen. I just got burnt out. I had too much work to do. I just wasn't having a great time with things, and it wasn't good. And I filmed this video, and nothing was going to plan. You know, it wasn't great. It just seems like nothing was going to plan. You know, I went to recently just to how ridiculous this is going to sound. I went to go and look at a Corrado, one that was really nice. Brakes didn't bloody work. Went to go look at another one recently, and the trim flew off the car when I went to test drive it. It was phenomenal. So like even little areas where it's just like, can life just give me a break? And it just doesn't, you know? Those like little instances. Yeah, something like that. So what I ended up doing was, I think I just need a little bit of a break from it, which is what I've ended up doing. I've been working on this video on the off chance, and I've got a lot of footage from it. You know, I've invested in the new camera because my old one broke. That cost me a lot of money. Just getting the new desk set up for filming the new videos, that cost me some money. It's just been quite costly, but thank you guys for your support, and if you've got any questions or anything, you know, well, I'm always here, you know that I always respond to questions, and I hope this explains that videos will be on their way. You know, I'm going to be editing this one up the rest of tonight, might do a little bit of a stream after this Budget Bytes thing goes live, depends on how I'm feeling, maybe a bit of Forza 4, something a bit retro, something a bit nostalgia-inducing. But anyway, I'm going to go make myself a cup of tea, and I hope you guys have enjoyed hearing about how videos are now on their way. So thank you for your patience, and I will catch you guys when the next video goes out. Goodbye.